We have a 2002 Lexus truck. Lexus, which one is this?
Three, I think.
It's the RX 300.
Yes, yes.
So for this Lexus, as you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lug nuts. And then you have a lug nut, you have a security key, which is right here. So we're gonna use this security key. Gotta take this thing off. All right. So we're gonna take this thing off here. All right, this is the security key for that lug nut right there. Now on these Lexus, they have the spare tire in the back usually. It's not under the truck like most trucks or most Lexuses. So the spare tire, you have to move this tool here.
Yeah.
Remove that and then remove this tool here. And then there's a full spare tire. Go ahead and spin this here. So you can spin this. And that's your jack if you use that, but I usually have a floor jack. Take this. This is a full spare tire. So take this. Alright. You get a full spare tire. Now, we're back. So now, we're going to see what size is these lug nuts. So majority of the time, these lug nuts are a size, sometimes it could be a 19 or 21. Let's see what size it is. So right here is my 19 millimeter. The 19 doesn't fit, so let's try the 21. All right, so 21. So right here is the 21 millimeter. See if it fits. All right, as you can see, 21 millimeter fits. Use your impact gun here. We're just gonna loosen them up. If they're a little too tight, you can use your 4-way to loosen them up. All right. Now, since the lug nuts are too tight, what I like to use is a 4-way to loosen them up. So let's use this guy here. Loosen them up. All right. It's too big.
Do we find where is the
Yeah,
car?
yeah. Back up.
Then you get your security key. Stick it in there. All right. Now, what we're gonna do is now we're gonna use this tool here. Floor jack. Use your floor jack. Find a low location. So let's see.
The place where I think the tires.
Oh, yeah, right.
All right.
We would have to, I think they have some kind of a tool. You didn't find this tool from there?
That one doesn't know there.
This is ours,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Because I know
All right. We're gonna lift the tire up. All right. All right.
No. You gonna move the car back.
Yeah.
You have your
Alright. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna loosen up the lug nuts.
right now they have to record everything.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Like for insurance.
Yeah, this is yeah, I don't know. This better for people or what?
Yeah.
You know, I prefer to just do it like
Yeah.
man to man.
Like that. Why do it like that?
We old people, we don't like the like machine or some AI or whatever.
Oh yeah, AI, yeah.
They did what's that?
Alright, is
In the future, the machine gonna be that's terrible.
the machine.
Yeah, in future, because you know the robot is gonna come and help you, right? I get that.
Take off the damaged tire.
It's hard to find out where, right?
Then we're going to use this to spray the lug nuts because they're nice and
I
dry.
think we need. Did you take out? Yeah, take out everything. Put on another side, Papa. This one. Put it like on the front.
Now we're gonna put the
Yeah.
spare tire on. As you can see here, this is the spare. We're gonna put this thing on. All right.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna lift it up just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Lift it up just a little bit more.
If I will be man, I will be interested in all of this stuff. Always. These papers they can take out.
Oh man, this is too low. That's too low. It's too low. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's too low. Put this back on because it's too low. It is way too low. I gotta find a lower place.
Oh.
Too low. Gotta find a lower place. Because your car, your truck is lifted up. So I gotta find a lower place. Let's see. Where is lower? Alright. That's higher. Oh man. Probably go here. Oh, can't go there. This might be. This might be a little better. No, that's too low as well.
Put something underneath and put something.
Yeah, because
tile.
your car is lifted.
Can we put something like tile put underneath your letter? Maybe that works.
Let me see. I need to find something low. That's plastic. I think I can do. Oh, that's too low.
Do you think you can put this tail under this laptop?
I don't need a towel.
Oh, this one put under this one, under this.
Oh no, that ain't gonna work.
You think not work?
Yeah, that's
Because this is
yeah.
and your tools is too low, right?
Yeah, I need to find a place that's low.
Ah,
Cause it's too. Let me see. I can use this. All right, let me see. I can use that. I don't know. Let me see if this works. It might still be too low. All right. Oh, it works. That worked. All right. I have to find a new location because it was too low at first.
to work?
Yeah, I had to find
Oh,
another location. All right, now let's tighten them up. All right, let's put the equipment up.
There's no clue where it is going
Right.
to right?
And we're gonna lower the truck.
Here, maybe. Baba, you don't know, you don't know where?
And that's how you change the tire on a Lexus.